Hello there, tiny adventurers. Today we are sprinting into the wild with a super cute cheetah. If you're ready to color and roar, give this video a big thumbs up and let's go. We will now start with a simple sketch. Can you make the sound of a cheetah? It's like a big cat's purr. Whoa, that was scary. Now let's do the head. Look at our cheetah. Those big twinkling eyes are waiting for some color. Did you know cheetahs have spots? Lots and lots of them. Let's add some cute spots. And if you're having fun spotting along, don't forget to hit that like button. I am painting the spots blue, but you can choose any color that you like. We are painting the ears pink. And how about a pink nose? Now for our cheetah's fur. Cheetahs have a golden yellow coat, but in our world it can be any color. Maybe a soft orange or even a bright yellow. I'm going for a sunny shade. Our cheetah looks so happy, doesn't it? Coloring is like a magical journey. With just some crayons or pencils, we can travel anywhere we want. And today, we went on a safari. If you had fun today and want to join me for more coloring adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. That way, you'll always be ready for our next journey. Thanks for joining. Bye.